act so foreign, yeah, you're not cute. Yeah, I thought I'm never gonna ever wreck you, and I promise never gonna ever test you. Now you're gonna get my best. You are not like the rest, no. Didn't take a shot, no vest. That ass put me to sleep, no rest. Feeling like we could not.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking this video. My name is Leandah, and today we are creating this black smoky eye makeup look. So please make sure to like my videos, subscribe, share with your friends, and let's get straight into the video. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Alright guys, as usual, brows done, check. And we have some roller situation going on here, and my hair is kind of dirty. I really don't want to wash my hair because I really like this hairstyle, but we'll wash it during the weekend. But for now, let's just manage it like this. I really like it. So it's a smoky eye tutorial, right? All you need to know how to do is to blend away, blend till your wrist hurts. And basically you just need like 2 to 3 products or less, and all you need to have is just good brushes. I know I'm looking like a clown. I know I'm looking like a clown. This clown right here, I know I look like a clown. You don't have to tell me twice, but just ignore the rollers, okay? It's going to come out. It's for a good cause. It's for a good cause. Just hold on, just chill, relax. We're gonna get into it. So I'm going to take my Nuban Beauty concealer right now, and I'm going to use it as a base for my eyeshadow. And then I'll take my Zaron gel liner in Jazz, and I'm just going to pat that on my lid. So some people can decide to not go in with a base, but I think I might die if I don't. So I cannot just put makeup on my bare skin. I must like put a concealer or something. So I'm just going to go in with this Zaron liner in Jazz, and I'm going to use that as a base for my smoky eyes. Going in with some setting powder. This one is by Fenty Beauty. I'm going to use that to set my concealer, just so that blending can be very easy. When that is all done, I'm going to go in with my Blossom palette. I'm using this black shade, Gamma Ray. Remember, it's a gel liner, so we need to set it. So I'm just going to pack that on my lid like so. And then, so you can decide to smoke your black eyeshadow with different colors. Like, you can decide to blend out your black eyeshadow with any color you choose. But since we're going for a proper smoky eyes, I'm just going to use the black to blend everything out. So I'm going to take a small clean blending brush, and I'm just going to use that to blend everything out. Remember I told you to blend till your wrist hurts. That's what I'm doing now. Okay, it's coming out nice. I'm liking it. I think my blending is enough. See guys, I've done the second eyes, and it was really simple, no big deal. So for my lash today, I'm going to use my favorite lash brand, Wink Lashes. Guys, look at how pretty this is. Like, come on, oh my goodness, it's just so beautiful. So I'm just going to pop this on, and I'll see you in a bit. So guys, I've popped on my lashes, and this is it. How do I look? Let me know down in the comment section below. I can't wait, I can't. So I'm just going to apply some Trophy Wife in my inner corner. I'm I'm saying I can't wait because normally I do this at the end of the look. I put like finishing touches at the end of my look, but this one, no. Valentine is coming, guys, so you can also rock this to your dates. So let's just continue. And guys, before we move on, my latest obsession is lip tint. Like, I've been obsessed for like 7 days, literally 1 week. I've been drinking lip tint back to back, morning night lip tint. Obsessed. So for my skin, I'm going in with my Essentials Luminous face moisturizer, which is already finished, and I'm also going in with this Essential Hyperpigmentation / even skin face oil, and I'm going to use that on my face. So I forgot to use a primer, but it is what it is. I'm going to keep moving like that because there's nothing I can do about it. Oh, now that I've forgotten to use a primer, I'm going to actually check if using a primer is even really important in a makeup routine, and I will tell you about it in my next video, so stay tuned to know. So I'm going to go in my foundation now. I'm not putting too much because I'm going to wear this all day. Perfect. Guys, remember, like, a little bit of this foundation, this Hegai and Esther foundation, goes a long way. I still have some remnants left on my hand, so I'm going to preserve that for next time. Using a beauty blender, I'm just going to blend everything in. For highlighting, I'm just going to use the Hegai and Esther concealer to highlight, and this is in the shade So Boys, So Bogus. And I'm going to mix it with Nuban Beauty concealer, Nuban Beauty in my skin concealer. I'm not going to put that on the outer corner. I'm going to blend. Having blended that in, it's time to contour, and I'm using my Juvias Place liquid concealer in shade 5. Now I'm going to use my beauty blender I use in highlighting to blend everything very well. Now it's time to contour my nose. This is one of the things I like doing now, contouring my nose. And yeah, so we're just going to contour my nose. But before that, let's set the face. I'm taking my Fenty Beauty banana powder, and I'm just going to use that to set under my eye area. Now Now it's time to contour the nose. I'll make a really in-depth video on how to contour your nose, but before then, just watch this one. But it's not that hard to contour your nose though, it's very simple. And going with my CoverGirl bronzer in Ebony, I'm just going to use that to set my contour. So guys, now that I am done setting everywhere, I'm going to set my brows. I learned this from Beauty by Mimi, yep, here on YouTube. So I'm just going to set my brows. Then I'm going to go back in to my Blossom palette with this black shade right here, and I'm just going to use that to smoke underneath my waterline. Like that. So it's kind of giving me this, I'm the one that is dragging it though. You can drag it to give it this smoky effect, or you can just leave it on the corner. I'm just going to drag mine. Okay, I don't think I like it. Going with my Hegai and Esther powder, and I'm just going to use that to dust off the excess and to set my entire face. So guys, I have done my lips and I love it, and I am basically done with my lips. So for the final step, I'm going to spray my face with some Milani Make It Last setting spray. So let me take these rollers off and show you guys how I look. So guys, this is my final look. This is how it looks. The rollers, it didn't really do much for me, but this is my final look. What do you guys think about it? I told you in the beginning we're going to use only 2 or 3 products or less, and we did. We used the Zaron gel liner, we used the Blossom palette eyeshadow, and if you like to consider my base, which is the Nuban Beauty concealer, if you like to consider my base as part of the products I use, then feel free to just 3 products for my eye look, and and the trophy wife, but that one is your choice. If you want to use it, use it. If you don't want to use it. And this is how my smoky eye look came out. What do you guys think about this look? Please comment down below what you think about this look. And Fenty cookie jar on my lips is giving me love. And also, just to point out, this video is inspired by Maya Gallo here on YouTube. I love her so much. Like, girl, she's amazing. She's everything. Look at how I'm feeling myself. So dear Maya, I pulled off your smoky eye look and it was the bomb. And I saw in a comment section where someone asked if smoky look is restricted to only black colors. Well, in my opinion, I don't think smoky look is restricted to only black colors. I even replied to the person said I don't think it's restricted to only black colors. I think you can use browns, more of earth tone colors though. So yeah, this is my look. I hope you guys like it. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel, share with your friends, share with your family, share with your cousins, share with your sisters, share with your girlfriends, share with your husbands. Yeah. Anyways, Please make sure to subscribe to my channel, like my video, give this video a thumbs up by liking the video, and click the notification bell also. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.